So in this video, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets. Using dark mode can help reduce eye strain, especially during extended periods of use. It also saves battery life on your devices and provides a modern, sleek look to your spreadsheets. So let's start the video. First, we need to add a Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Dark Mode Night Eye. Find this extension and click Add to Chrome. Confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up. Once the extension is downloaded, it will be added to your system and you will receive a confirmation message. Next, return to your Google Sheets tab and refresh the page. You will see that it switches to the dark mode version. It may take a moment for some of the functions in the toolbar to change color, but they will eventually update. And that's how you can enable dark mode in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.